ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯛꯄ ꯄꯦꯝꯕꯔꯇꯟꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯍꯤ 3 ꯈꯨꯟꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯕꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯐꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯕꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯟꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯕꯥ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯟ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯧꯄꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯊꯣꯟ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯒꯝꯚꯤꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯦꯝꯕꯔꯇꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯇꯣꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯥꯟꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯗꯦ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯦꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯒꯣꯜ ꯊꯛꯇ ꯇꯣꯛꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ.
And this is the current vulnerable state of the ponies. Their numbers are around 1,000 only. This is how the true pony of polo is being treated. Despite the government effort to save the endangered pony species, spending crores on a statue for SAGOL Kangje polo and building a grazing field for ponies in Lamp Helpat. Their policies of promoting ponies through Manipur police, sports, shows and cultural events may be effective for few months, but what about any monetary aid to the owner of ponies which will eventually help them? Road accidents of ponies and breeding failure are main concerns. It is a high time we act to save our ponies.